What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Charlie and Harley, and today we're going to be installing some new rear brake pads. The holding pin that was right there inside this hole right here, and pretty much I unscrewed it and then pushed back the pistons, which is that inside there, down there, which I actually have to push that one a little more in. I got the old brake pads out, and look how worn out these are. This has been almost 3 years worth of worn out, and damn, this is just embarrassing. So what I did is actually I cleaned it out with brake cleaner. So these are ready to come out and put on the new ones. These are the DP brake pads, part number 4, 2017 Harley Davidson 983. It's 1721-1847. Red pin DP 537. So I heard these are great. So it's just the rear brakes I need to pretty much switch. My front brakes are working fine, so right now I'm trying to get something that's small enough to move down the piston. So yeah, okay. I want to be really careful not to mess up the disc. The thing is, I don't want it to let the whole wheel, I want it to let the whole router kick. It's just a whole waste of this. My day next is to get a new brake pad and pretty much put this cover on it, so it has to fit perfectly with it. Snaps right in place. That's what you do to the next one. Be advised, they clean these with brake fluid, brake cleaner, and then you pretty much just wipe it down really good, make sure there's no debris, and put it up in here. Yep. Flush, and then you're ready to install them. Let's get on that one. Here. Ah, shit. Brake pad cover. So I'm gonna put that together, right together. Put it on. Okay, what I had to do was I had to use both my hands, because this clip right here. Hey, yo, man. This clip right here, you had to put the brake pad. The brake pad, and then slide this screw in, and then right here you see that hole right here. Okay, hold it between these two, and then slide the other brake pad. So I had to play with it. I had to use both my hands, but I got it in there. Okay, I just push the brakes on and move it. As you can see up there. Okay, right there. And I'll just take it for a test run. sturdy. So there is a good liquid in there. Throw that over. And that's it. That's how you start on brake pads, which I really didn't show you guys how much, but slide them on, slide them on. Basically some shit. So yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe, and show some love. Later guys.